Welcome to San Miguel County's Open Data website, a portal for discovering, interacting with, and downloading San Miguel County, Colorado data. On this video, we're going to take a short tour of the site's features. The first of which is a simple search box, where I can type in any phrase and come up with the data associated with that, such as a trail map. You can see this is labeled PDF. This is an Adobe Reader file, common file format. If I click on that name of that item, I'll see a preview, and also have the ability to download that document. You can further refine your choices by filtering on content type. So now I can see I have some data for county managed trails, BLM trails in Colorado, in San Miguel County, and other data associated with trails. To return to the main page, click on the San Miguel County logo at the top left. Further down the page, we have our most popular spatial data sets, such as tax parcels, which I can explore by clicking the Explore button. This gives me a map preview, which I can zoom in and out using these tools. I can also interact with the data in a tabular format. This shows you the data behind the data, what's contained in this spatial data set. As I scroll over, I can see that there's a lot of information contained in here. I may not want all of it. I may want to filter, for example, by subdivision. I'll click the filter button, drop down the window, and type in the name of a subdivision. Now you can see the map is updated. It's no longer showing all features, just the ski ranches features. If I want to further filter, I can add another one. Let's add vacant land. Now you can see I've got many fewer results down here. I've only got 5 pages. And now I have the ability to download just that filtered data to a spreadsheet, or a KML file, or a GIS shapefile, or I can take the whole data set without my filters. To clear the filters, simply click the box next to them. For more advanced users, there are options such as creating a web map. Again, to get back to the splash page, click the San Miguel County logo, and we'll look further down and see what else is here. The content gallery groups offerings by categories. So for example, if I go to the community development category, it'll give me all the data associated with building and planning, such as the zoning map, census demographic data, external link to the Colorado Department of Natural Resources well permit research viewer, very useful, our zoning finder app, and the zoning data itself. And below the categorized content is an app gallery. These are all the public applications that we have for interacting with county spatial data, such as the Advanced Viewer, which is a fully featured GIS web platform, Property Finder, which is a simple property finder, etc. And down at the bottom, there's more useful links. If you're a GIS savvy user, you might find those REST endpoints useful. There's also links to the full gallery of mapping websites and San Miguel County's website. At the very bottom, please note our terms of use. This information is provided to the public free of charge or restrictions. If you want to read more about how to attribute credit to the county, click on the Creative Commons Attribution license. And this information is provided as a courtesy and is not intended to replace a land survey. Do you have ideas for open data? We encourage you to contact the GIS department with your requests and suggestions for what else we can add to make our portal useful. Please see the contact information at the bottom of the page. To find the open data site, you can go to San Miguel County's website at sanmiguelcountyco.gov hover over the Government tab and find the Open Data Portal link. You can also simply type in www.sanmiguelcountyco.gov/opendata. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the GIS department at 970-369-5470 or gis@sanmiguelcountyco.gov.